Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Right, today I wanted to basically provide you with a new product launch. There's going to be two versions of this. We've got following, this is version 1, and there's version 2 on the car, which I'm going to show you in a second. These are brand new and will be out as soon as you watch this video. Basically what these are is the new facelift fog light inserts, interchangeable colours. You'll be able to order these directly from CUSTOMRIDES.uk, and I'll leave a link in the description. So I'm really excited about these. I've been working on these for a while, and yeah, let's take a look. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is what we're talking about. These are the brand new inserts. We're going to have two versions. This slightly longer version, and then this version here. This version, the longer version 1, I'll show you. Version 1 is a little bit longer and it wraps itself around the side, whereas this version ends here, so it's a little bit shorter. It just gives you the opportunity to interchange different colours around your fog lights. So we're going to get these installed today, so I'm going to show you the installation of that. And these will be, as I say, ready for you guys to order online right now. So go and grab yourself some and support. Would love you to jump on this. And then we've got another product launch just after, which I will show you shortly. But really excited about these. So let's get it on and get these installed and show you what it's all about. Once again, when you're installing vinyl, it does have a few handy tools. You've got your squirty bottle with soapy water. You've got your squidgy. I always have masking tape, a pair of scissors and a small Stanley blade. Again, all of these are available. Stanley blade and a multitude of squidgies. This one has a soft felt edge and then a harder plastic edge. There's actually a full version of completely soft. There's 3 or 4 different options there. So go and jump on CUSTOMRIDES and get yourself some. Get you the tools, do the job. So we're going to put these on now. Same principle applies. Make sure the area is clean from dust. So we're just going to give this a clean and dry, and then we're going to squirt soapy water onto this and onto this as we peel off and apply it to the car. Let's get this started. We're just going to peel off the back. We're going to spray around here. We're going to peel the backing off and then spray this lightly for application. So let's get that done now. Don't need too much, just enough. Right, so I peeled off the backing tape just to relieve the pressure. Don't panic. I mean, I'm at this stage and you've got a slight bubble here. Obviously you've got where it's bending round. What we're going to do is we're going to apply a little bit of heat just to help. So we're going to do that now, and that should set it nicely. So let's do that now. So I'm just working it into shape. So we're just going to give this side here a bit of a blast of heat, just to mould it into its position. And I'm just running myself around the squidgy with the squidgy here. as I say, we're just going to give it a little blast of heat just as it dries out, just to take form. So we just got to get this edge here just to bend round and adhere. So I'm just going to blast that now. I'm just going to heat this up. So as you can see now, with a bit of heat, just a little bit of heat, go really gentle, starts to take form. Go really gentle, little bit of heat, and then stop. Okay, so as you can see, by applying a little bit of heat, that makes it a little bit more manageable to bend round. So we're just, there's a little bit of water left in here, so we're just going to be careful with that. We don't want to go too crazy with it, because you don't want to ruin it. So just be really gentle when applying. I just need to get into that corner slightly just to get round. But essentially that's how it looks. But as I say, you've got to take your time with these things. I know there's a problem here. There's a bit of water in there. So we're just going to address that and just keep working it slightly just to try and draw it out. Or just be careful. Well, I think that's the best we're going to get it for the moment. There is a slight bubble here. Worst case, we could use a pin right at the very back and just pop that. Potentially, might have to consider that. I'm going to try and draw it out a bit further and try and push that to the back. But let's get the other side done. Right, I am going to make a decision. We're going to use a pin. I'm just going to pop a little hole right at the very back, just to see if we can release a bit of pressure on that. It's just it's got caught, and I can't seem to just budge it. So again, not the end of the world. So we're just going to address that now. Okay, so that's almost done it. We've just put a little pin hole at the back there. In fact, we've done two, and it's just drawing the water out, just releasing a little bit of pressure. And it's not really, you wouldn't notice it, to be honest. So that's what you would do if you needed to just release a little bit of pressure. You just use a pinhole. Right, I'm happy with that. We're not going to mess around anymore with that, and we'll just leave that to dry now. And we're just going to go and do the other one. Right, same principles applies. We're just going to we've just applied it, and we're just going to mold it now into shape. Again, there's a little bit of just where it needs to mold round, so we might need to pin that, but we'll just see in a minute. We'll let that dry and give it a blast of heat. Right, that's both of them done, and I think that really adds to the car. I hope you do agree, and you'll support the product. But pretty simple. A nice little addition. Right guys, that completes the installation for the new fog light surrounds for the facelift. As you can see, you can have them in different colours, and really does add to the car. So they will be available now. Jump online and grab yourself a pair. Right guys, that concludes the video for the new surrounds, the fog light surrounds. So if you hopefully enjoyed the content, and also this string of videos I've basically installed in vinyl. So yeah, jump online. I'll leave the link in the description, customrides.uk. Give us a thumbs up, like the video, and come and jump and give us a subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers guys.